Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains the existing default roles in the system and demonstrates how you can create a new, custom one. User roles are formed based on a set of permissions that grant users different authorization rights within the application. These authorization rights convey different levels of access. Navigate to Users and then click on Roles and Permissions. Predefined roles in the systems are Administrator, which has all permissions in the system, and by default, the only role that is able to create new and manage existing user roles and permissions. Instructor is the role that can manage their own groups, polls, tests, and reports. However, they can only view the content not managed by them. Proctor is the role that monitors the test-taking process. Also, it is able to view the tests for which they are assigned as proctors and can follow the candidate's progress on these tests. Student can take tests, surveys, and training courses. Also, a student is allowed to view and print personal certificates. Role code is required for loading users through Excel file. They link users in Excel file to the existing roles in the application. On the other hand, an external ID is used to synchronize user roles with the other systems, such as Agile Management Tool. It is possible to modify permissions of the system default roles. In Actions, click on the pen icon, and you will be able to edit the role name, external ID, description, and enable or disable permissions. When finished, click on the Update button to save changes. Moreover, you can manage role access to predefined roles in this tab. To create a new role and assign permissions, click here. Permissions allow roles performing specific actions. Enter the role name, external ID, and optionally a description. Then select Permissions and click on the Create button. Then you can delete roles by clicking on the bin icon. As any table in the system, this one can be easily exported as Excel or PDF file. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.